In this video, you guys are going to be exposed to a short tutorial of how to download a file from Teams onto your computer, and then how to share that file or upload that file onto your OneDrive, and also perhaps how to edit something in PowerPoint on your computer, either in PowerPoint or in OneDrive. So think about this tutorial as a how to download a file, but also how to operate PowerPoint a little bit and how to access your OneDrive. So you guys will see that this is how you guys log in. This is your main screen for Teams. If I just go into one of my world history classes, you will see that under the assignments tab, we click on that and it will pop up with one of our assignments. The one that we're working on currently is this virtual locker assignment. You click on that tab, and from your guys' view, it will look like this. You will have the title, you'll have the description, you'll have the rubric that you can click on as well, and then you can also click on this link to view the actual assignment itself. So if I click on this assignment, it's going to bring me to a view-only version of this virtual locker assignment. Obviously, you guys need to be able to edit this assignment to be able to complete it. So you guys need to download it yourselves onto your computer. How do you do that? You go to the File tab, you click on that, go down to Download As. It'll bring up these four options. You want to download a copy. A PDF, an ODP, or an image will just make the PowerPoint unmovable, so you can't move the pictures around. So you want to download as a copy. So you hit that. It says your presentation is ready, and then you hit the download button. From there, you will see in the bottom left-hand corner on my computer, it will show as a download. I think that's in Google browser. If you're using something else, it may pop up in the right-hand corner, it may pop up in the top of it, or it may just simply download to your computer without telling you. If you're using a Google browser, you will see that it will download here in the bottom bar. And if not, you may have to go searching in the files by typing in right here, virtual locker assignment, and you can kind of see that it pops up here. So if you don't see where it downloads, just go into the files or hit the little magnifying glass on your computer and it should pop up. But for me, since it popped up in my browser, I'm going to minimize this screen. I'm going to exit out of Teams, and I'm going to make it so I can see my desktop background. If I want this to download onto my computer, I'm going to click on that assignment, and I'm simply going to hold down the click button on the trackpad and drag it to my desktop. Doing that is going to create a copy onto my desktop that I can edit, that you guys can edit, and then you can change up and delete as many things as you want to make it your own. Obviously, you're going to have to do that for the assignment. But let's say you want to have it be something more like Google. In Google, you can create things in what is called the Google Drive. In Microsoft, they have something similar called a OneDrive. So what I would do is, if I wanted to upload this to my OneDrive, which you all will have to do for this assignment anyways, type in OneDrive. It'll bring you to the Sign In tab for Microsoft OneDrive. You will put in your email and password. Hit next, and then it will bring you into your OneDrive, much like what Google Drive looks like. This is in a list view. You can change that view in your OneDrive to what is called tiles, and then it will look a little bit more like what you know Google Drive to be like. And to get something in here, you can either hit upload or you can create a new. But since you already have downloaded this file, all you will have to do is just drag and drop it into your OneDrive. It's going to automatically start uploading. Wait for it to upload. And then you're going to see that it says share link. So you can, if you're ready to share the link now, you can hit that, or you can kind of wait since it's there and you say you don't have to share this assignment until next week. You find the assignment you just uploaded. It's right here. Make sure that everything is good to go. You'll go back to your OneDrive. And because most of you will probably be in list view, you can either right click on the assignment, or you can see these little 3 dots. If you hit that, it'll bring up this toolbar where you can hit share, and you can make sure that the settings are set to anyone with the link can view. As long as it is in this mode, nobody else can edit your assignment. If it's editable like that, anyone with the link can edit. Anybody with that link can change your stuff. So you want to make sure that you do not allow editing. And once you have that, all you will need to do is hit copy link. It's going to create a shareable link. You will open up your Microsoft Teams. You'll be here in your Microsoft Teams to submit this specific assignment. You're going to go into virtual lockers, and then you will see that you can just simply paste by right-clicking down here in the toolbox, paste the link, or you can see, you might have seen that the other option is Control V. You can hit Control plus V at the same time, and it will paste your link. And with that, that is how you're going to share this assignment. That's how you're going to download it and get started on it. So hopefully you found this video helpful.